What if I told you that one of the biggest woodworking mistakes is not cutting the wood, it's relying too much on the tape measure? It might sound surprising, but many experienced woodworkers don't measure every single piece the way beginners do often. Hello there, reviewers, welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are sharing easy methods that can help you to create clean, tight wood joints with fewer mistakes and much less frustration. Whether you are building shelves, tables, cabinets, or small home decor, these tips can help your project look more professional. You will share practical woodworking habits that many skilled builders use every day. You will discover how to make match parts more easily, reduce common mistakes, improve accuracy, and create clean joints without making your project feel complicated. Those simple ideas work wherever you are building a small wooden box, floating shelves, bedside tables, cabinets, coffee tables, or large furniture project. Even if you are completely new to woodworking, you will be able to follow this technical step by step. They are easy to understand, simple to practice, and can make every furniture project more enjoyable. By the end of this video, you will understand why consistency often matters more than constant measure, and how a few small changes in your workflow can completely improve the quality of finished projects. So, grab your favorite piece of wood, clear a little space in your workshop, and let's discover the simple woodworking techniques that can help you build clear, tight, and more professional looking joints every single time. So watch the video until the end to see our idea and get inspired. Let one piece become the pattern. Instead of measuring every board separately, use the first finished piece as your guide. Place it directly on the next board. Mark the same length. This helps every matching part stay exactly the same size. It also saves time and reduces small mistakes. Allow marks from the actual project. Every project is a little different. Rather than depending only on a tape measure, place one piece against another and mark exactly where it should fit. This creates a much more natural fit. It is a simple habit that improves accuracy. Keep the same reference edge. Choose one straight edge on every board. Use the same edge as your starting point throughout the project. This keeps everything lined up. Consistency creates a clear result. Small habits makes a big difference. Test before you build. Before joining everything together, place all the parts in position. Check how they fit. Make small adjustments now instead of fixing the problem later. A quick test saves time and materials. Never rush these steps. Label every piece. As project beginners becomes large, the parts can easily get mixed up. Write simple label like top, bottom, left, or right. This keeps the assembly organized. Good organization leads to fewer mistakes. Simple labels have a lot of confusion. Build slowly. Speed up often creates errors. Slow down during the important steps. Check every part before moving forward. Careful woodwork usually proceed clear results. Patience always pays off. Let the piece touch before making. Place two boards exactly where they will connect. Mark them while they touch. This creates a natural touch between the parts. It reduces gaps. The final project feels much precise. Make matching parts together. If your project needs two identical legs or shelves, prepare them together. This helps reduce. Keep both pieces the same. Matching part makes furniture look balanced. Even simple projects benefit from consistency. Equal parts create a professional appearance. Don't chase any tiny mistakes. Tiny difference happens during every project. Instead of starting over, adjust the next piece too much. Focus on how everything fits together. The finished project matters more than perfect numbers. Build with confidence. Check from different angles. Stand back and look at what your project. View it from the front, then from the side. Simple alignment problems become easier to notice. Fresh eyes often catch what close-up work misses. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY lover, friend and family. Let's inspire more people to create something beautiful. Practice on scrap wood first. Before working on your best wood, practice the first using leftover pieces. This helps you understand how everything comes together. Mistakes become learning opportunity. Practice builds confidence. Confidence creates a better furniture. The secret is not consistency. Great woodworking is not about guessing. It's about repeating the same simple process every time. Careful marking, careful checking, careful assembly. Build smarter, not harder. Woodworking becomes easier when you create simple routine. Repeat the same process every time. Stay organized, work carefully. Small improvements quickly become good habits. Good habits creates a beautiful furniture. Every mistake teaches something. Every woodworker makes mistakes. Don't become discouraged. Learn from every project. Each builds improve your skill. Experience comes once project at a time. Simple techniques beat complete tricks. You don't need complicated meter to build a great furniture. Clean layouts, careful marking, patience are simply these simple techniques work on almost every project. Often the simplest solution is the best one. Quality comes from attention. Beautiful furniture is not created by luck. It's created by paying attention to every small detail. Careful preparation leads to clean result. Small improvements add up. Great craftsmanship begins with simple habits. Enjoy the process. Woodworking is not only about the finished project, it's about creating something with your own hand. Every project builds a new skill. Every challenge teaches patience. Enjoy every step on the journey. Bonus tips for clear wood joints. Work on a flat surface whenever possible. Keep your workplace clean and organized. Remove dust before joints piece. Double check matching parts before assembly. Take a short break if you begin rushing. Good lighting helps you notice small mistakes. Finish one step completely before starting the next. Enjoy the process instead of rushing to the finish. In the end, we have reached the end of today's woodworking guide, and I hope you are discovered that building better furniture is not about making dozens of measurements or owning the most expensive tools. It's about working carefully, staying consistent, and using simple techniques that help every piece fit together naturally. Every experienced woodworker started exactly where you are now. They made uneven cuts, parts that don't line up, and joints that don't fit as expected. Those early mistakes were not failures, they were valuable lessons that helped them improve with every project. Remember, great woodworking does not happen overnight. It grows one project at a time. Every shelf, every shelf you build, every table you complete, every small woodcraft you finished adds to your experience and confidence. Don't be afraid to participate on simple projects. A small box, a picture frame, a plant stand, or a floating shelf can teach skills that you will use later when building large furniture. The more you build, the more natural these techniques become. Always focus on quality instead of speed. Taking a few extra minutes to check your work can save your hour of fixing mistakes later. Careful planning, patience, and attention to detail are what give handmade furniture its professional appearance. One of the best things about woodworking is that this is always something new to learn. Every project introduces a different challenge, a new idea, or a better way of working. Stay curious, keep experience, and enjoy the learning process. If today's steps help you, try using one of one or two of these techniques, you are very next project. You may be surprised by how much clearer your joints look and how much more you enjoyed the entire building process. We would love to hear about from your woodworking journey. Which tip from today's video on do you think you will make the biggest difference in your next project? Learn your answer is comment below. Your ideas and experiments might help others woodworker in our channel. If you have a few favorite woodworking tricks that was not mentioned in this video, share that too. Learn from one another is one of the best ways to become a better craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please take a moment to like it. Let us know you're enjoying this type of content and helps more woodworking enthusiasts discover the channel. If you are new here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss furniture video. We regularly share woodworking tips, DIY furniture projects, creative home decor ideas, reclaimed wood inspiration, budget-friendly builds, and easy techniques that help you create beautiful projects with confidence. And don't stop here. We have many more videos waiting for you, including clever woodworking tricks, timeless furniture idea, palette wood project, rustic home decor, beginner-friendly tutorials, and creative way to turn simple wood into beautiful handmade pieces. Click on one of the video on your screen and keep your woodworking inspiration going. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate your support and being a part of this channel. Until next video, keep creating, keep learning, keep improving, and remember that every great project starts with one simple piece of wood and the confidence to begin. Thanks for watching until the end, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.